So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for apartments here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application. Once it is opened up, go to the top right of your screen right beside the search bar and press on the three vertical lines, also known as the filters tab. Once that is selected, simply just scroll down until you come across the option that says home type. Now for home type by default, it should have all of the options selected. So this way you're going to be viewing listings for houses, townhomes, apartments, etc. If you only want to view apartments, it's pretty straightforward. Simply just uncheck houses, townhomes, leave apartments checked, uncheck condos, lots, multifamily, and manufactured. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on see zero results, or if you're more zoomed in, it'll have many results for you guys. But that's how you guys can search for apartments here on Zillow. So next time you're looking for different listings, only apartments should show up. It's pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.